In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to complete green thumbs in Goat Simulator 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to complete the instinct green thumb. To do this quest, all that you have to do is tend to the plants. If you look around, you will actually see a board that has instructions on how to do it, and it is going to have a picture of fertilizer. So the first step is to look for the fertilizer bag. You will be able to look around the area and find the fertilizer. As you can see, it is this bag filled with little yellow dots. So all that you have to do is look for it around the area. As you can see on this specific screenshot, it was found inside of the shipping container, and as soon as you find it, pick up the fertilizer. Now drag it to the plants and you will be able to tend to each individual plant. So with the fertilizer licked while it is in your mouth, all that you have to do is jump towards the plant. You will see it change instantly. So instead of the little sprout, it is going to grow a little. So you can jump over to the next plant, do the same thing, you will see the sprout go away and grow a little bit, and then do it with the last. As soon as you tend to the last plant, you are good to go. If you bow at the plants, they are going to grow super big and you will get the green thumbs completed. If you carry on going up with the plants as they grow up and up and up, you will also be able to find a trinket. So all that you have to do is tend to the plants using the fertilizer, lick the fertilizer, drop them on each individual pot, and you will be good to go. It is only 3 plants and a single bag of fertilizer should be enough for all. Look around for the fertilizer and see if it has a fixed spawn location like this shipping container that I'm showing here. You will be able to do this alone or with a friend, and all that you have to do is tend to each individual plant with the bag of fertilizer that you found on the area. I hope I was able to help you on how to complete Green Thumb in Goat Simulator 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.